92% of people who set New Year's goals fail to achieve them. The problem isn't motivation, it's the goal-setting system itself. OKRs replaced vague goals at Google, Intel, and thousands of companies. Here's how to use the same system for your personal goals. A University of Scranton study found that 92% of people who set goals never achieve them. Traditional goal setting, lose weight, save money, read more, fails because it lacks measurable progress and clear timelines. OKRs fix both problems by separating what you want from how you'll measure it. OKRs stand for objectives and key results. The objective is what you want to achieve, qualitative and inspiring. The key results are how you'll measure progress, quantitative and specific. Example, objective is get in the best shape of my life. Key results are work out 4 times per week, reduce body fat to 15%, and run a 5K under 25 minutes. The objective pulls you forward. The key results tell you if you're actually moving. A good objective is ambitious, qualitative, and time-bound. Grow my freelance business is weak. Become a fully booked freelancer earning $8K per month by September is strong. You should feel slightly uncomfortable when you write it. That means it's stretching you. Set 1 to 3 objectives per quarter. More than 3, and you'll dilute your focus across too many fronts. Each objective gets 2 to 4 key results. They must be numbers you can track. Get better at marketing is not a key result. Publish 12 blog posts, grow email list to 2,000 subscribers, land 3 inbound clients. Those are key results. At the end of the quarter, you score each key result from 0 to 1. A score of 0.7 is actually the sweet spot. It means you set ambitious targets and hit most of them. OKRs without weekly check-ins are just vision boards. Every Monday, spend 10 minutes reviewing your key results. Are you on track? If a key result is at 20% progress halfway through the quarter, something needs to change right now. This weekly pulse prevents the classic failure mode of setting goals in January and remembering them in December. Mistake 1. Setting too many OKRs, 3 objectives maximum per quarter. Mistake 2. Confusing tasks with key results. Launch website is a task, not a measurable result. Mistake 3. Never scoring. If you don't score your key results at the end of the quarter, you lose the feedback loop that makes the system work. Score honestly, learn from the gaps, and set better OKRs next quarter. 1 to 3 objectives, 2 to 4 key results each, weekly check-ins. Simple, measurable, and actually effective. I linked a free OKR template for Notion and Google Sheets in the description. Subscribe for goal-setting systems that produce results, not wishful thinking.